Ganyan ba? Tama ba? S. Galing ako sa ano eh. Yan naman. Persuasion. Okay. What else?
Learn techniques, strategies.
Techniques and strategy. Instruct. Okay. Teka muna, natin iba. What is your expectations? If there's something that, you would like to learn pag alis mo ng session na to after all 8 weeks kung nandito. Alam niyo bang 8 weeks na tatakbo? 8 Wednesdays. Yes, Brent?
I want to learn how to make better presentation.
Better presentation. Better presentation. Yes, Nike. Nike. Nike nakalagay. Nike.
I want to learn.
What's your name?
Jimmy.
Jimmy.
I want to learn, actually, my, ano ba talaga, is to learn how to have a group session, a group presentation,
Group presentation.
to conduct a group presentation.
Group naman ito. Okay. Group presentation. Anything else that you're expecting? Sige, pupunta ako dyan kasi ito gusto ko malaman. Yes. What's your name? Mandy. Nancy. Self-confidence. Wow. Confidence. May problema ba kayo sa confidence? Yung totoo. Yung mayroong problema, makita ko ng kamay, para ano natin. Meron talaga. Ano ko nung sagot mo kanina? You shouldn't have a problem with confidence. Yung iba pwedeng pinoproblema niya, but confidence, no. Why? Because confidence is simply a byproduct of knowledge. When you know that you know what you know, you are confident. Diba? Ano nangyari kay Raymond Santiago? You heard? Latest from Raymond, tsaka yung sinasawa niya? Claudine Barreto. You know? Claudine Barreto? What?
Drug user.
Yeah, drug user. That is confidence.